We're already starting to feel some of the wind gusts coming back here in Pacific Palisades. It's a race against the clock for so many firefighters who are working on growing the containment numbers for the Palisade fire and the other fires burning right now in LA County. But there's significant concern that with the return of these strong winds, that these wildfires will grow. The firestorm in Southern California stretching east Saturday, and now new concern over the wind speeds increasing, posing a further threat. The multiple blazes combined singeing nearly 40,000 acres in Southern California, decimating communities.
It's okay, Alyssa.
It's like your heart's been ripped out.
We have everything. We have our lives.
And stomped on and thrown away. And you're just trying to find a piece to put it back together.
The Pellegrini family lost a restaurant of 40 years. Like so many others, they've lost so much.
2 doors down, the house is gone. 1 door up, the house is gone. The house above me is gone. The houses across the street were burning all day.
Dan O'Connor is one of the few residents whose home is still standing in Malibu, but around him is nothing but mangled metal and charred debris. This home, only the staircase is left standing. The largest of the wildfires, the Palisades fire, devouring the Malibu area.
It's devastating, heartbreaking for us all, but it's great to see the community come together.
The winds calming down Saturday morning, allowing crews to make progress, fighting the flames by air and reducing the risk for firefighters.
You're not having those, strong winds that are providing ember casting and starting spot fires in front of the head of fires.
But the dry conditions still leaving much of Southern California under a critical level for fire danger. The Santa Ana winds are expected to pick up Sunday, which could worsen fire risk. Today we heard from Governor Gavin Newsom, who is doubling the amount of National Guardsmen who are here helping to fight these fires. Firefighters from Mexico are also here in Los Angeles, and fire crews from Texas arrived today as well, all hoping to accomplish the same goal: protect the communities and the people who live here. In Pacific Palisades, I'm Lee Waldman reporting.